Good afternoon from Mayport C&C Fisheries, located in scenic Atlantic Beach, Florida. Today, Stephen is cutting some lionfish. Lionfish are one of the most eco-friendly fish you can eat because they are an extremely invasive species. You'll notice that Stephen is starting by cutting off the barbs. Now, most fish have some sort of spine or barb, but the lionfish's barbs are especially problematic. They contain a powerful venom, which is what makes them such a problem. They have no natural predators and are taking over the West Atlantic Ocean, so it's up to us to become their predators. Lionfish feed mostly on small invertebrates and mollusks, which is a similar diet to hogfish, which is another local favorite. Since their diet is similar, their flavor profile is similar as well. So they're a mild white fish with an almost crabby flavor. Well, there you have it. Some nice lionfish filleted, ready to go out to one of your favorite restaurants or straight to your plate at home. Thank you for watching our video, and please, even if you're not near us, consider eating lionfish. They really are a very large problem, so help biodiversity out by eating some exotic fish.